Hello everyone, today's topic is literary device, is also called as figure of speech. A literary device is also known as figure of speech, used to enhance meaning, beauty, and effect in language. Literary devices may also be called as rhetorical device, stylistic device, poetic devices, especially when they are used in poetry. Now we will discuss the literary device assonance. Assonance means vowel sound repetition. Assonance is a literary device in which the same vowel sound is repeated in nearby words to create rhythm, mood, or musical effect. Example: try to light the fire. Here, I sound is repeated in the words try, light, fire. See one more example. The rain in Spain stays mainly in the plain. Here, AI sound is repeated in the words rain, Spain, main, plain. Why writers use assonance? To make language musical and pleasing, to improve flow and memorability in poetry and prose, to emphasize emotions or ideas. It is very common in romantic and modern poetry. It was used by Edgar Allan Poe, John Keats, Tennyson. Example of Edgar Allan Poe. He wrote The Bells. The famous line, hear the mellow wedding bells. In this, E letter is repeated, that is vowel sound, is repeating. Let's see one more example. Samuel Taylor Coleridge. He wrote The Rime of the Ancient Mariner. In that, the western wave was all a flame. In this, A letter is repeating. Next literary device is consonance. What is the meaning of consonance? Consonance is a literary device in which the same consonant sound is repeated in nearby words, usually at the middle or end of the words, while the vowel sounds are different. This repetition creates a musical, rhythmic effect and helps to emphasize certain words or emotions in poetry and prose. Writers use consonants to add sound harmony, improve flow, and make lines more memorable and expressive. Consonance means consonant sound repeated at middle or end. Example: the string was strong. Here, ing sound repeated in the words like string and strong. Example: the lumpy bumpy road. Here, MP sound is repeated. In William Wordsworth Daffodils, a famous line is there: fluttering and dancing in the breeze. Here, ing sound is repeated. In Robert Frost, stopping by woods on a snowy evening. Here also there is a famous line, that is, and miles to go before I sleep. Here S sound is repeated. Repeating consonant sound at middle or end is called as consonance.